guys, what's up? This is Shahul from NS channel. Today in this video, I am going to unbox a MI product. It's a MI rollerball pen. Okay guys, before we are going to unboxing, I want to just say something about Xiaomi. Okay guys, Xiaomi is not only manufacturing mobile phones, and it's also manufacturing MI more and more products like MI power banks, MI bags, MI pens and MI bicycle also. And you can log into the MI Global. You can see there how the Xiaomi occupies the global with the goodness of electronic gadgets. Okay guys, present in this video I am going to unbox a MI rollerball pen. So let's go for unboxing. This is the MI rollerball pen from Xiaomi and the cost is just 179 rupees and 50 rupees delivery charges extra. Let's unbox this. Cool. Okay, we are opening this one. Wow, it's very cool. Wow. Wow guys, this is too cool. This is the MI rollerball pen. You can see here the branding of MI. Okay, the pen is too cool. It is a very good for gift option. You can twist to 120 degrees like this, removing the bubble. Yeah. Wow, it is too cool. Let's see how it is writing. Guys, this is the MI rollerball pen. It is looking too good, but it is some little bit weight. Okay, I will show you the writing style of this pen. You can show the pictures on my screen. Okay, it is too good. It is very great for a gift option. Okay, Xiaomi never compromised the quality checking because Xiaomi have a great team about quality checking. Let's open this and see what is inside. Okay. Wow. Guys, this is the MI refill. You can see here the branding of MI. The inside this pen all are made with copper, metal. Then it is so weight, some little bit weight. The writing style also too good. This is made in China, but it's too good, and the style also too good. Okay, I hope this video is useful to you and you enjoy this video. Okay, that's it guys. If you want to buy this pen, so click on the description box and click the link to buy this one. Only 229 rupees. Okay. Thank you.